Hi there, and welcome back in this new video for my YouTube channel. I am Matteo Migliorini, you can call me Matt. Today I want to show you how to fix a little problem maybe we can have when we use RealFlow mesh from RealFlow and want to import inside a Softimage XSI. Okay, I know, maybe Softimage is not still used, but there is a very good community still use it, and it was a very nice software for me. Okay, and I remember I have one licensee of Next Limit RealFlow. If you go to the website Next Limit, you can see the different product. For example, you can have the RealFlow. RealFlow is the fluid simulation and multiphysics simulator for create simulation like, for example, fluid, gas, or body dynamics, ocean, etc., etc. I don't know how many people still use it, but I think was also the good solution for create some effects for some studios. In these last years, you can find the standalone version, but also the plugins. Okay. And when you work with, for example, the standalone, and we have, for example, that simulation, okay, is very easy simulation with the mesh, with the fluid, is free emitters is go to create this very easy simulation, okay? And I want to import inside Softimage. I need the plugins, so I go to my portal, to my download, and if I go to my downloads, if I go here, and here I don't find any RF connection for Softimage. I don't find anything. I looking around in the web, but I don't find the solution where I can go to take this version for plugins for Softimage. But if I go to the Softimage community.com, you can find a Softimage resource, and here, if you scroll, you can find a lot of plugins for Softimage. But very interesting is from Eric Mutzoid. I don't know if correct my pronunciation. Here you can find the emReader. emReader, if you read, you can use also for import the particle cache, for example, BGeo from Houdini, Bean from RealFlow, PTC from Renderman, MC, and blah blah blah. This is very important for us because you can read the RealFlow. So you can just download the add-ons. You can have also here the PDF. In the PDF you can find all information you needed. For example, also how to install. If you go on Softimage, you can just file, plugin manager, user, you can right click, install add-ons, you can just add the path of the director where is your plugins. I have all plugins in one folder in my PC, so when I install, I go to here and choose the plugins, and you can see it's installed. Restart the Softimage, and is installed. When it is installed, you can find under model is under create, you can find polymesh, you can find the plugins loader. If you just click, you give the error, and here you can just go to where is your mesh. I have the mesh here. Okay, you can just click here, waiting for assign the path, and assign the path of your mesh. You can just select the first, waiting. You can go, for example, 100 frames here. Ta-da! You can have the simulation here in Softimage, so you can use these plugins from Eric. Thanks a lot, Eric, for your works. and you can import the RealFlow mesh, RealFlow bin. For example, is the bin is also the extension for particles. You can use that for create your jobs, your works inside Softimage with still using RealFlow, for example. I hope that is very useful for you. It's very simple um, tutorials, but I remember you the Discord channel and Discord community, and also the community on the Softimage is very important here. Okay, you can find all information. Is an official Softimage community, but is very still strong, and I appreciate a lot the help from the people from this community. Bye.